Okay, we have two circuits in this box. We have a red and a black, which is live. We have our green, which is the ground, and we have our white, which is neutral. And this can be two live wires, and they could be two separate circuits sharing this neutral, or it can be two separate circuits on the same circuit breaker sharing the same neutral. So it can be either case. If both of these red and black are on the same circuit, and like the red is switched and the black is always live, or if you have two circuits, separate circuits with separate circuit breakers, you'll have 240 between the red and the black. And I'll show you how to wire this receptacle for both cases. So we'll take our outlet. You'll see a little tab here between the two screw terminals. We'll break that off. Okay, we'll strip our red and black just a bit longer here. Okay, we'll put one wire on one silver screw. It doesn't matter which one it is. So we'll do our ground and our white first. Your bare wire or your green wire goes on this green screw. You always put the wire around the screw the direction the screw turns, like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. We'll put our white wire on the silver screw. Okay, make sure you get your copper under the screw head all the way around and your insulation is not pinched under the screw head. Now we'll put our two separate circuits. One on the top half. We'll put the red on the top and the black on the bottom. It doesn't matter which one goes where, but for cosmetic reasons, we're going to put the red on the top because the other ones, the red is on the top and the black is on the bottom. Now in this case, we have two separate circuit breakers on opposite legs of the 240, so you don't overload the neutral. But hooking this outlet up is the same if it's on the same circuit and the red is switched and the black is not switched. Okay, we have 120 volts. Okay, we'll put it in the bottom half here. We have 120 volts. I'll turn the backlight on, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. Alright, so now we'll check between our two live wires here. Okay, we have 211, or we're using, this room is running off of a sub panel which is coming off of a 208 service, so that's why we have lower voltage for our 220, 240. There it is with the light on, hopefully you can see it. So now we put our outlet into the wall here. I think we have a cover sitting over here somewhere. Yep, we had one sitting over there, so we'll put our cover on here. Alrighty, so that is how to wire a multi-wire branch circuit for both cases of the top half of the outlet switched and the bottom half of the outlet always on one circuit breaker, or if you're running two circuits sharing the same neutral with two separate circuit breakers, And when you do that, you have to have both circuits on opposite legs of the 240. Here in the country I was born in, we use 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps, 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare or the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a 110, 120 volt switch loop or in a 220, 240 volt appliance circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. Peace. Thanks for watching.